Hey everyone, Kaluzo Seabata Nchoba. I'm currently studying BSc Computer Science at National University of Lesotho. I'm going to walk you through a system I've been building in Java. It's actually this is my firstborn. It's my first project in Java. So that's why it's so challenging for me. It's been a month, started a month ago, and then I'm still struggling. But I think I'm halfway there. Yeah. Can it take if money leave my home? Nobody's going to tell me. Yeah. The system is only built in Java, nothing else. But for the database, I used SQLite. You see, yeah. I learned Java 2 months back. I was like, maybe to get more comfortable with the language, I should build something. So I thought my firstborn should be a POS system. It's very exciting actually to actually build something and then see it come to life. So this system will be unique in such a way that split into normally in POS systems you're gonna use a barcode scanner and then scan an item and then complete the transaction. So in my POS system, you're not gonna use a barcode scanner as such. I'm gonna build an Android application that is gonna help you to scan an item and then transfer the data through sockets into the POS system. Yeah. So you won't need to purchase a barcode scanner, but if you want to use one professional one, you can still purchase it. So yeah, that's all about my project. So let's dive in. Okay, let's run the application and see how it looks like. Okay, this is the main interface whereby the main interface used by the cashier. Yeah. So I haven't implemented this functionality whereby when you click on an item, it goes into the card, and yeah, the add to cart button is not working, the delete is not working, so it meets an error. So working yet the the quantity, the increment button and the decrement are working well. Yeah. So and yeah, I haven't implemented a lot of things. This is why you enter the amount, and here is a search. It's not working yet. Yeah, but the stock management button is working. Okay, here is the stock management whereby the manager will input the stock items inside our database. So when you put items inside this table, they go straight into our database. Here's our database. Yeah. So let's try to input something. Let's input peanuts. Okay. The barcode, any random thing. Okay. Cost price. Let's say he sells them. He bought them with like $10, I guess. Then there are like 50 of them, and then he sells each and every one of them $15, and then submit. Here are opinions. Yeah, and then let's go check if they are available in the stock browser. Here are the peanuts. Yeah, they're available. Okay, let's check the database. Let's see. Yeah, here are peanuts. After refreshing. Yeah, and then we have there is the Java driver that allows us to communicate with the interface with database is called a JDBC. They call it Java Development something. I don't know if it's Java Development or Java whatever. I haven't actually looked into it, but here it is. Yeah, it helps us to communicate with the database. Yeah, and I also used JavaFX. JavaFX is um, a framework that allows you to develop rich Java interfaces. Yeah, Java rich Java application interfaces. Yeah, that was what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so it enables you to use what we call a scene builder. Okay, so let me show you how I build the interface using scene builder. Let's start off with the main interface, and yeah, let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is called scene builder. It's a drag and drop application that allows you as a programmer to build interfaces without actually coding everything step by step. I can just drag a button here, like a button, and then put it in here, boom. And then what else? The radio button. Okay, yeah, here's the radio button. Yeah, I can put a lot of things in here. Yeah, and then program them to do whatever I want after putting them in here. So yeah, as simple as that. It also allows the programmer to style elements, UI elements like this one. Let me just show you how I style this. Properties. Okay, I'm gonna make this button black. It's just CSS, yeah, and then it's black. You see, yeah. So that's it. You can just drag things and put them wherever you want, and then the interface is starting to look more like an interface. You see, yeah. So let me just close this without saving, and then where's the? Oh, I also designed a login form, but I haven't actually connected with the whole system. Okay, here's the stock management. Let me just show you in singular. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Okay. Here's the stock management user interface. Also built with what you call a scene builder. Yeah, the drag and drop application provided by JavaFX. Yeah. Uh simple yeah, interface. Yeah, this is called a text field. Yeah, I programmed this back button to take me back to the main UI, which is the UI for the cashier. Yeah, just drag it and drop it, go to the Java classes and program it to do whatever you want. Yeah, in the controller class, you have to make a class called to control this user interface. Yeah, yeah, that's it. What did I miss? Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I'm gonna show you this whole code here. It's it's a code to connect to the database. That's why it's called DB connections, database connection. So if it's successfully connected to the database, it will print this open database successfully. Let's run it. Let's see it. Yeah, it means I've connected to the database, SQLite database successfully. Yeah. The reason why I used SQLite is because it's portable, it's serverless, meaning that if I would like to turn this application into an executable, such a way that I can take it from this PC and then install it somewhere else, I can still be able to use the database. Yeah, because it goes along with the application. It's going to be embedded inside the application. So in a case whereby I didn't use the SQLite, I was going to have to set up a server. More like, let's say we're using MySQL is a server. So I was going to have to like set up a server everywhere I'm going to install my application in order for the application to communicate with the database. So yeah, SQLite is serverless and portable. Yeah, that's why I used it. So let's go to the code that yeah, here this code helps us to read from the database. You see this SQL query execution. Yeah, so this populates, yeah, this code populates our table, this table with data from this table. Yeah, it populates it into this table. Yeah, this code. Yeah, but it only selects item name, item price, and barcode from the table called products. And yeah, here's a table called products. It has many columns, but we only chose those ones we want. You see, yeah, that's basically it. Here is my folder for the project, and here's my database. It's called product database, and here is how I called it inside our code. Here it is, product database.db. Yeah, that's how I called it. Yeah, and what did I miss? I think that's all about the, yeah, that's all. I can't go through every piece of code in here. It's a lot. Yeah, some of the code I had to like go to a documentary to see how things are done. Like this one, I didn't actually know how to read from the database and populate data into my Java application. I didn't know. I had to like go and ask for help somewhere else, and then be like, okay, do this and do this and do this. This is how you call it. This is how you execute it. Okay, this is how to execute the query inside your application. This and this and that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you soon.